This is connecting up the kickboard. So for example, the white kickboard is going in where the dishwasher is and the black kickboard is along the face. It's got just some cam fittings in there. You don't over tighten them. They're just literally quarter of a turn, or 3/4 of a turn, sorry. Just tighten them. It's got, often it'll have 3 holes in there. You only really need to use 2 of them. However, the 3rd hole is in there in case you just have to plane a whole lot out of the kickboard because the floor might be miles out of square. Then you can move this cam fitting to there.